Welcome to the world of outdoor adventure and laughter. Get ready to elevate playtime with our deluxe 4-seater seesaw, the perfect addition to any backyard or playground. Designed with excitement in mind, our seesaw features 4 spacious seats in a captivating blue hue, ensuring every child enjoys a comfortable and thrilling ride. Each seat is securely attached to high-quality pipes, guaranteeing stability and safety during play. But safety doesn't stop there. We've included sturdy hand supports near each seat, allowing children to grip with confidence as they soar through the air. With careful attention to detail, our seesaw has been expertly balanced to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride for all. Watch as children's faces light up with joy and excitement as they embark on thrilling seesaw adventures with friends and siblings. Whether it's giggles, cheers, or moments of pure delight, our deluxe 4-seater seesaw promises endless fun and cherished memories. Invest in quality. Invest in adventure. Choose our deluxe 4-seater seesaw for a playtime experience that's as safe as it is thrilling. Join the fun and let the good times roll. Get yours today.